Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So on our website, bootuppd.org, you will find some resources to learn how to create an interactive store display. So when you press the green flag, you can click on different stuff.
Ew, I think these are used.
It might say things, people might walk by.
Buy one wig, get one sock free,
etc. Okay, so this is a project that's on our website. Got a lowrider going across. Pretty cool. Being driven by a dinosaur. Okay, so if you want to, you can look at the lesson plans to learn how to teach this, or you can actually just learn how to create it by going to the Coder resources. Now, I want to show you another neat idea. So this neat idea is kind of like the interactive store display, except it's interactive Indian cuisine, and it is by RC_legend. So you can press the green flag. It has a mouse effect, which is pretty cool. Whenever I move my mouse around, it does this. But when I click on stuff, it tells you something, and then it adds it into your dish. So this is kind of like the interactive store display in that you're able to click on things, it'll do different stuff, but it's actually teaching you about Indian cuisine, which is pretty neat and delicious, if I do say so. So I thought that was a pretty neat idea. Now, if you want, you can see what's going on right here. So I'm actually going to include a link to this in the description below. So make sure to check it out so you can give them a heart and give them a favorite, because this is a really cool project by RC_legend. And if you want to learn how to create a similar project like this, make sure to check out BootUppd.org, where you can learn how to create your own interactive display. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.